Hi guys, and welcome to episode 3 of my Amazon designer inspired gems. So this is the third series I'll be showing. I said to you guys I'll be looking for some designer inspired dupes or designer inspired items on Amazon, and I'll be posting them for you guys. So I'll be doing one every week. So this is my third week. But before we go further, guys, let's just take some time to appreciate this beat. Like today, I was really in the mood to do my makeup. I took my time, and also let's discuss this hair. Who's got new hair? Anyway, before we start off, hey gang, to my day ones, thank you again for tuning in. And to any new people, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Monet. Please feel free to press the little subscribe button that every time I post a video, you won't miss out on any of the gems that I'll be showing you guys. Alright, so starting it off, we're going to start with some sunglasses, and we're going to go with the Tomford sunglasses. So here are my original Tomford sunglasses, and these are the Amazon ones. Okay, so when you look at the original ones, they've got the little pickable cutout hole. It's got the Tomford name here. It's a metal frame, and it's got the yellow lens. I'm sure you can see. Beautiful. Okay, so these are my originals. Okay, all right, and I think these retail at, let me just get the price for you guys. I think they're in the sale now, and they retail at, initially they're at 370 and now they're 296. So these are the originals. And then when we go with the Amazon ones, so obviously the Amazon ones don't have the signature T, and it's a plastic frame. On these gold ones, they've got the gold ones, and then they've got ones with a black frame, but I don't think it's plastic. I think it's metal, but this one is a plastic frame, but they look pretty much exactly the same. They've got the gold detailing on there. They've got the yellow lens, as you can see. They're a very nice pair of sunglasses. Like, there you go. They look absolutely pretty. They look really, really nice on. And they actually feel fairly heavy, quite durable. I think they look pretty much the same. Like, as you can see, it's like no brainer. I think 370. And these Amazon ones, let me just double check for you guys. These cost £9.99. So 370 when I got these, they were still full price, and £9.99. And then next in the sunglasses, we're gonna go with these Bottegas. Right, so I think these are called the Bottega gold pivot sunglasses. So they've got like a very thick, and as you can see here, and they're gold, so like the police aviator shape, and they've got like a very light brown lens. Really, really beautiful. The originals retail at 331, and these are from Amazon, the Bottega dupes. So as you can see, look really pretty on. They've got the thick, band on the side. Right, guys, then next we're going in with a Bottega inspired clutch bag. So I think this is called the Clutch Long Andiamo, the original Bottega one. This one is inspired, and I got this, I think this was £6.31. Guys, like, it's not real leather, obviously, for the price, but it looks absolutely beautiful. So the clasp is what closes the bag. So if you just put it like so, and you open it, and then you open it like here, and that's the inside. So it comes with a chain belt. Okay, so I think the chain belt, you can either put it on the side like so. Let me just show you guys. Put it on that side, and then we put the other side as well. God, my nails are really long. It's really difficult. Right, there you go. So you another, and then there you go. It's a full size. It's a across the body or handbag like that with the chain, or you can remove it and it becomes a clutch. And again, like I said, it's very spacious. You can get quite a few things inside, and it looks really pretty. It's very dainty, but it's very it's also really pretty to look at. It looks like real leather. I know it isn't, but it looks like real leather, and the detailing on the bags are like the crocodile finish. Really pretty, and it's in like a maroon color. So like I said, this one retailed at £6.31, and the original Bottega bag retails at 2,300. I think it was 2,300. So again, it's quite a good bargain for the price. You have like a very pretty clutch at a very reasonable price, and it looks pretty. You can even remove this. I'm going to show you, there's a part-time I use this little chain to make a top with one of my scarves, so I might link it below, or I might put a little separate video altogether so you see. So this also came in handy as part of a top, right? So this is the Bottega bag, and then next we're going to be going in with another handbag. I'll just show you guys. This arrived today, so I haven't even unboxed it. So this one is the classic Chanel inspired bag in like a baby pink color. So I'll just do the unboxing or the unwrapping with you guys so you see. Oh, I swear you'd think because you've got long nails they'll be useful, but they're quite useless. All right, so I've got scissors now. So then you cut off. It's exciting. We get to see it together, see the quality together and everything. So this is the strap, and as you can see, it's well wrapped up. Keep it nice and safe. It's beautiful. So it's got the threading, which is like the pink leather and the gold. I'm not sure if you can see, I'm just trying to zoom in. All right, I'm just going to do the other side. Oh. Right, so that's the straps partly done, but guys, like, look at this beautiful baby pink pastel color, absolutely beautiful. But then, as you know, the Chanel one on here, oh, it's got the CCs, but this one has just got a clasp here. It doesn't have the CCs. Then that's the inside, so we'll just remove this. And then it's got like another flap on here. We'll take this off as well. That's the inside. It's quite spacious. So there's the paper to give it shape. Just take that out as well. So look at that. There's quite a lot of space in there. And there's two different little slots on the side. And it's got another space in here. Cards in there, or how safe they will be. But this bag is absolutely beautiful. It is to die for. Like, I'm so happy and so pleased with the bag, the quality of the bag. It's got the diamond stitching, as you can see. It's got like a little shine finish to it. Very heavy. It feels heavy. It feels luxurious. It feels expensive. It even looks expensive. I think it even goes the outfit I'm wearing right now. Honestly, guys, I was very, very happy with this purchase. So the original one, I think they come in different sizes, but in this baby pink, it retails at 8,850, and the one that I got from Amazon, I'll just get the price for you guys, just bear with. I think it was 70, just checking, sorry. Right, there it is. So this one retail at $78.99. So the original is 8,850. This one is $78.99. Guys, honestly, this handbag is top quality. I'm so pleased with it. Like, I'm probably going to use this bag quite a lot. It will definitely get usage. And like, honestly, beautiful. Actually, I'm going out tonight. Get ready. You might see this little baby being featured. It is absolutely stunning. Okay. All right. So that's it for the handbags. And next, now we're going in with a Dior inspired swimming costume. So the material is called the Dior Riviera material, with the blue, the baby blue. So this is a inspired swimming costume. So it's really, really good material. It's got good stretch, it's good coverage. It's a full costume, and it's got like an open hole at the back here, just below, and then it's got the cute little design on here. The front is padded, as you can see, but it's really, really good material. I think it will cinch your waist, like, as you can see, like how much it is struggling to pull it. And I got this in a large. It looks really big. I hope it fits. But yeah, it's really pretty. Looks so expensive. Really, really good material. What's going on with my camera? Yeah, there you go. Really, really good material. And it came with a sarong. So they don't actually have a swimming costume like this on the Dior website from what I was looking at. But they do have the sarong. And the sarong retail at £440 in this design. So they had the bikini and the bralette. So this is the sarong. So it's sheer material, you see through, and it's got like a dark blue, thicker material at the top, which is like the belt, and it goes around like a lighter blue all across. So I will show you what the sarong, the Dior sarong, looks like. And I'm gonna wear this on holiday. I'm going on holiday next month, and I might put a little clip in reference to this video so people can see what it looks like. But yeah, that is the sarong. So it's a cute little two-piece set, absolutely beautiful. And this one, so I'm sure you can imagine if the sarong cost 440, how much the swimming costume would cost. But for this one, is a bargain from Amazon. I got this one at, I'm just going to check for you guys. This one cost $19.99 for the set. So the sarong on its own is nearly £500. This will probably be around the same price. So it will be £1,000 if you're going to Dior for the full set. But on Amazon, you get it at a bargain, less than £20 for both. Like, come on, guys. So watch this space. In September, I'll be wearing this. All right, so next we're just gonna go with some accessories. So starting off, we're going with this little Gucci inspired brooch. So on the Gucci website, this retails at, I think, about 320. So it's like a bow tie. It's got like the little clip at the back, and it's got the Gucci B, which got like a big pearl, and it's got the little design. I'm not sure if you can see it properly. Just try and zoom in. Yeah, absolutely pretty, and it's got the colors, the red, the cream, and the little blue. This is really pretty. I think with a white shirt, you'll be looking absolutely amazing. It's really good quality as well for that one. I think this one retailed at, sorry, I didn't get my prices ready for you guys before, but I'll just check on my Amazon account, let you guys know. So this one retailed at £15. So the original one is nearly £400. I think got 380. That's a bargain. I think that will look really nice with a white shirt, white button-down shirt, and this, or even like a black dress, and you want to put a pop of color, then this will look really nice. You can use it as a bow tie, probably as a brooch, put it on your coat just to make the outfit look a bit different. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. I love this and I can't wait to wear this one. And then next we have got this, again, another Gucci inspired brooch. So it's got the B and it's got this little dangly chain, and it's got, I'll try and zoom in, there you go, it's got like the green emerald in there, and even like the B's got the little green as well. So the B looks almost identical to the Gucci B that they have on most of their stuff. And again, this can be a little brooch. You can even use it as on this outfit just to add a little pizzazz onto your outfit, make your outfit look a little bit nicer. And this one retail at just checking. This one retail, oh, actually $9.99, but then it's out of stock now. Then they've got a few other ones which I will link for you guys below. So some of them are £5.50. This one came with an additional, I'll just show you. So the ones that they have now is just this one, but this one came with this as well. So it came with two brooches for the price that you're buying one right now. So this one is a cute little bee. I'm not sure if you can see that. That is really pretty. So that, again, another Gucci inspired piece. So just a little brooch, put on your top like so. There you go. Really pretty. So this one has got the little tassel and little second bow, so just put like a cross. That's just one little bee. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, very, very affordable. Like I said, this one is sold out, this one from when I just looked on Amazon right now, but there's a few other ones, so I'll link those below just in case someone wanted to either buy this one or both. But unfortunately it's a bit more expensive now because it takes forever for some of the stuff to come, and by the time they arrive they're sold out. So I will try and always film and put links as soon as possible before they run out for you guys, so you don't miss out on any of the bargains. So that's all for the Amazon finds. Again, like I say, I will film one every week. I can't wait to film my next one for you guys. I've got quite a few things I've ordered in there. Some have arrived, some are still on their way. Hopefully by the time I'm filming, they'll all be here. Thank you so much for watching. But before we finish, I'm just going to show you this cute little outfit I'm wearing right now. It's from Amazon as well. So it's not designer inspired, but there's a lot of linen stuff going on at the moment because of summer. So I'll just show you guys really quickly and then we'll just wrap the video up. So this is the cute little two-piece outfit from Amazon. It's linen materials, really, really breathable, so pretty. I just put it up with a little black tee, bodysuit, and I'm good to go. Like, this outfit is pretty. I think the trousers cost like £12 and the top was $9.99 on Amazon. Absolutely beautiful. It's a cute little set. So, and I'll just pair it with one of my new sunglasses. There you go, and I'm good to go. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for the love. And again, like I said, if you're new, please feel free to press the little subscribe button so you get notification anytime I post a video and you don't miss out. And if you made it till the end, thank you so much for the love. Have a fabulous day. Bye.